name is William Windisch, and I'm from the United States. I came to Serbia like over a year and a half ago, and I came with from the request that maybe I can help the situation for the young kids and for the professional architects and engineers here in Serbia. So we started this company called Young Construction Professionals, which I'll abbreviate as YCP for right now. YCP is a service where we help young construction professionals, architects, engineers, designers to move forward in their career to prepare them for more international style of doing your job. So anyway, we're a nonprofit on this area. We got our registration not very long ago. And this is our slogan, bringing the world of design and engineering into your future. Serbia has got amazing, this is one reason I'm here. Serbia has a huge amount of talent, but anybody on the outside doesn't know that. And so what I do is I'm the link between the work and the talent. So that's kind of my role here. Okay, our mission here is career development, finding remote practice and jobs for international companies. So we could actually set up teams where you could work internationally and actually working right from home. So we'll provide internships anywhere in the world. They can be remote internships, right, where you can actually work on projects and work with teams in a remote fashion to get the experience that you need. We will provide work. We will give you an opportunity to work. It's not just that we're going to train you and toss you out into the world where there's actually no jobs right now. How many people are working right now? Raise your hand. Oh, that's not a lot. Okay. So this is the goal. One of the reasons it's taken us so long to get moving here is that when I figured out that it's not going to do anybody any good to train you and just to put you into a no job market, right? It's kind of doesn't work. So I've been working this last year on building a network and getting agreements with affiliates that will provide the jobs after you get the training. Basic level one is that you've already completed most of it. You will have an area where you go to level two. Level two is free for everybody until September 15th. We want to get some people into the program and have it working before we start doing any of that. And if things work out really well, then that will be wave two. We'll get rid of that in September too. Level two lasts as long as your assessment is. Okay, some people, they'll want to jump in to make money right off the bat. They'll go into the Tesla Resource Center and do shop drawing production. That's usually easy to do, make money. So what we do is that we'll train you to do shop drawing production. That's an easy thing to get you into. It's an easy way to make money. You're working as a freelancer and we provide the projects for you, okay? Level two, discounts for training. We talked about this, assignment of international mentors. Your mentor can be working with you and can be in country and can be your liaison. So that mentor is your advocate, is your defender. They're there to fight for you and to encourage you and to move you forward if you have any questions about your career or anything, a math problem, how to figure out an engineering equation. That's what they're there for. Now, how many people know English really well? Very good English? So when you're doing anything remote, English is like the basic language internationally for the world. So what we would do is that we would get you a workshop and get you some online English lessons, or actually get you a tutor right here in Serbia that will help you with your English. Because if you're going to do an interview with a company, it's an American company, you better know English, because they're not going to reinvent themselves for your job. How many people are taking English classes right now? There's one. Anybody else? How many people watch American TV? Okay, how many people watch American movies? All right? Okay, so that is a very good tool for people to learn English, is that you just get into these and kind of immerse yourself. This is probably more important than I can stress at this meeting. The other one is personal business management. How do you handle being a freelancer? Right? What are the legal parameters? What do you have to do to manage yourself? How do you get paid? That's one of the questions. How do you get paid? Well, you get paid by production. You don't get paid by the hour. You get paid by producing. Serbians know how to get stuff done, don't they? They know how to get stuff done. They really do. So you base your business model off of your production schedule. So these are things that we bring in. We have to coach you a little bit before you bring you into the system. That's important for us. Next. Level 3 is the big one. That's where the leaders are trained. To get into this level, you go through the training. So you move as fast through this program as you want to move yourself. We don't set your pace, you set your pace. But when you get to that point where you want to start moving forward and you start getting these things done, you will be pushed, right? Because this entire team that's sitting up here, I have to put my name onto that team. So you're representing me. And I'm picky. And I'm tough. Ask him. Right? But you grow into amazing people. You grow into these amazing workers, this very, very talented pool of people. You've got everything you need right now. You can do this. Everybody in this room can do this. It just takes that level of effort to bring yourself up to that. Okay, next. Okay, level 3, we talked about this. This right here, we call it the YCP advancement team. So if you're in level 3, you're part of the advancement team. And out of that, we select level 3. We pick the team. So if you're in level 2, you better impress me. And you better impress your mentor, because your advocate is the one that's going to sign off saying, Milos, he's ready. This guy's ready to go. Get him in line for level 3. So do you understand how this works? I have to select the rock stars in here. I do. It's the fact of life. So for you to be a part of this, you will be selected. These teams can be all shapes and sizes. Depends on the client requirements. The client comes to me and says, William, I need to design the first floor, the main floor of and basement of a hospital project. Okay, five levels of parking underground. I need civil engineers, MEP, et cetera, Then we build the teams based on his requirements. So we have a mechanical engineer, a chemical engineer, et cetera. We build the team and we build the profile of these people. That's when you are selected. If you get the project, you get the job. But to be selected, you better understand level 2. You better have done your homework and have gotten the training that we need. Okay? All right, next.
Isn't there a level 4 when you can click PowerPoint slides?
Yeah, level 4. You graduated then.
Yeah, thank you.